Here we are in the Kalia Tower of the Hawaiian Hilton Village. It is a beautiful room, a pretty good size with a beautiful view. It is about to be a sunset, which is amazing. We have a full-size mirror here on the bathroom door, and it has a full shower and tub with body wash, conditioner, shampoo, but pretty basic shower. And then in this drawer here, there is a blow dryer and a somewhat decent sized vanity for you to do your makeup and get ready. They also have some lotion for you, coconut mango flavor. Excited to try that. We have here a little wet bar area with the coffee, and it has a little drawer for storage. Underneath here is the fridge, and it is a standard little mini fridge with a spot for drinks. And it's not too deep, but it's not too bad. And then let's see here. I'm always curious about the coffee. So we have 10% Hawaiian blend coffee and then some decaf. So we're going to have to get more of this coffee. Not too much coffee in the little coffee maker. Then we have our bed here and a little couch and then some more storage over here. Here's a door if you have a conjoining room. And then here's a little bench for suitcase with some storage and drawers. A desk, nice couch, and then here is the view. We got a little balcony, but as you can see, it is sunset. And then outside, you've got this beautiful view of Waikiki. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. And then here's the lagoon right here. That's the Rainbow Tower. Here's the harbor over here, but it is absolutely beautiful. And then we have the pool as well, right down here. We got birds flying by, but we are on the 11th floor up. But here we are in the Hawaiian Hilton Village. It is beautiful.